Now, fourth example, 7. The multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 upon 7. As there is no denominator here, we will consider 1 as the denominator. Hence, the denominator will come in the numerator, that is 1 will come in the numerator and 7 will come in the denominator. Hence, the multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 upon 7. Now, example number 5. Negative 7 integer 1 upon 3. Now here we cannot directly write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse for the given mixed number. For that we have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we will again use the same rule. Here this negative sign is for the complete mixed number. So we will put it outside and then 7 multiplied by 3 plus 1. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22 upon 3 and this negative sign will remain as it is. Hence, the improper fraction for given mixed number is negative 22 upon 3. Now, here we will take the reciprocal of it. Here 3 will come in the numerator and 22 will go in the denominator and minus sign will remain in the numerator as we are not writing the denominator as negative. Hence, the multiplicative inverse of negative 7 integer 1 upon 3 is negative 3 upon 22. Question number 5. Carry out the divisions of rational numbers. The first one is 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. Just now we have seen reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Here what we are doing while dividing? Dividing one number by another, it means multiplying the first number by the reciprocal of the second. Again I am repeating, dividing one number by another, it means multiplying one number with the reciprocal of the other. That is, first fraction will remain as it is. Division will become multiplication when we take the reciprocal of the second fraction. That is, reciprocal of 10 upon 4 is 4 upon 10. Now here we will perform multiplication as we have done till now. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Now in that case you will find 40 is 4 times 10. So we will cancel 10 ones are and 10 fours are, and therefore we will write 4 here in place of 40 and 1 in place of 10. Now again if you look at 12 and 4. Here 4 ones are and 4 threes are. So we will write 1 in place of 4 and 3 in place of 12. Now multiply numerator with the numerator. 4 ones are 4 and 3 ones are 3. Hence the final answer is 4 upon 3. Second example, negative 10 upon 11 divided by negative 11 upon 10. Again, dividing one number by the other, it means multiplying one number by the reciprocal of the second. That is, you will write the first number as it is. First rational number will be written as it is. Now write multiplication in place of division and convert the interchange the numerator and denominator of the second rational number, that is, take the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the negative 11 upon 10. So you will get negative 10 upon 11 as the reciprocal of negative 11 upon 10. Now multiply numerator with the numerator, that is negative 10 multiplied by negative 10 in the numerator and 11 multiplied by 11 in the denominator. Now negative will become positive and 10 tens are 100. So the numerator will become 100 and 11 11s are 121. The denominator is 121. Now example number 3. Negative 7 upon 8 divided by negative 3 upon 6. Now here again dividing one number by another, it means multiplying one number by the reciprocal of second. Again we will apply the same rule, that is negative 7 upon 8 will remain as it is. We will write multiplication in place of division and reciprocal of the second rational number. Here reciprocal of negative 3 upon 6 is negative 6 upon 3. Now multiply numerator in the numerator and denominator in the denominator. Children, here in this step also you can reduce negative 7 upon 3 to its lowest form. Either you can reduce it in next steps. Now here you will see negative 7 into negative 6 upon 8 multiplied by 3. Here 3 ones are and 3 negative 2s are. So negative 2 will come in place of negative 6 and 1 will come in place of 3. Now here in this step again you will see negative 2 when multiplied with negative 4 you will get 8, or 2 negative 1s are negative 2 and 2 4s are 8. So the reduced form of this will be negative 7 into negative 1 upon 4. Now here in the numerator both the numbers are negative. So the product will become positive here. 7 ones are 7 upon 4. So the last answer is 7 upon 4. Now example number 4. 2 upon 3 divided by negative 4. Again the first number will remain as it is. Here we will convert division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of the second number. Here the reciprocal of negative 4 is negative 1 upon 4. Now multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 2 multiplied by negative 1, and denominator with the denominator is 3 multiplied by 4. Then you will find here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So we will write here 1 in place of 2 and 2 in place of 4. So you will get 1 multiplied by negative 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2. Here 1 into negative 1 is negative 1 and 3 twos are 6. Hence this is the last answer of this division. Now example number 5. 2 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 5 integer 3 upon 6. Again I am repeating children. Here the fraction is 3 upon 6. Here in this step also you can reduce it to lowest form or you can do it afterwards. So here first we will convert 2 integer 1 upon 5 into improper fraction. Here you will see 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 upon 5 will be written in place of 2 integer 1 upon 5. Now the division sign will remain as it is. Now convert it into improper fraction, that is 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 upon 6. Now here we got both the fractions or both the rational numbers. Now we will apply the same rule, that is converting division into multiplication is to take the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the second rational number. So first rational number will remain as it is multiplied by reciprocal of the second, that is 6 upon 33. Now here in this step you will see here 11 ones are 11 and 11 threes are 33. So we will write 1 in place of 11 and 3 in place of 33. Now here in this step 5 and 6 will remain as it is. Now again we can cancel 6 with 3. So we will do 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So in the numerator you will get 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 5. Here 3 will get cancelled as it becomes 1. Now 1 into 2 is 2 and 5 will remain as it is. Hence the answer is 2 upon 5. Now example number 7. 9 upon 11 divided by negative 8. Now 9 upon 11 will remain as it is. The first rational number. Division will become multiplication, and negative 8, the reciprocal is negative 1 upon 8. As there is no denominator, we will consider 1 as the denominator. So negative 1 upon 8. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 9 multiplied by negative 1 upon 11 multiplied by 8. 9 into negative 1 is negative 9 and 11 eights are 88. So the last answer is negative 9 upon 88. Now last example, 5 divided by 2 upon 5. Now here children, if you see, the first number is an integer, the second is a rational number. Now when there is no denominator, we will consider 1 as the denominator. So 5 is equal to 5 upon 1. Now when we convert division into multiplication, we take the reciprocal of the second. So reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. Now multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. That is 5 into 5 will come as 25 in the numerator and 1 2s are 2 in the denominator. So the last answer is 25 upon 2. Here we have completed with practice set 22. Children, you all have to complete this practice set in your copy. Thank you.